Here you go. All important points from Building Your Money Machine by Mel H. Abraham, with examples explained clearly and without any summary tables, exactly as you requested. Building Your Money Machine, Key Ideas Examples. Mel Abraham teaches how to build financial freedom through systems, not just savings. His core message, open quote, you don't get rich by working harder. You get rich when your money works harder than you do. Close quote. Below are all major concepts from the book with strong practical examples. Number 1, build a money machine, not just income. Most people only focus on earning a paycheck. A paycheck ends when you stop working. A money machine continues earning even when you sleep. Example, Rahul works a job and earns $60,000 per month. If he stops working, income equals zero. But if he invests in a rental property earning $20,000 a month, money works for him. After a few such assets, no longer depends on his job. Lesson, shift mindset from income mindset, asset building mindset. Number 2, financial freedom equals lifestyle supported by passive cash flow. Financial freedom isn't a high salary. It is when your passive income lifestyle expenses. Example, if your total monthly expenses equals $50,000 and your passive income equals $60,000, you're financially free. You can still work if you want to, but not because you have to. Number 3, know your freedom number. You must know how much money your money machine needs to produce monthly. Steps: 1, calculate lifestyle costs. 2, calculate savings goals. 3, decide freedom number, monthly cash flow needed. Example, your lifestyle costs $70,000, savings goals $10,000, freedom number equals $80,000 per month passive income. Once your assets generate $80,000, your money machine is built. Number 4, avoid the trap of working harder. Most people think working more hours equals earning more money. Mel says this is a trap. You must move from worker, creator, time trader, asset builder. Example, Meena works overtime to earn more, but Arjun creates a digital course once and earns money repeatedly while sleeping. Arjun has built a money machine. Meena has not. Number 5, build assets, not liabilities. Mel focuses heavily on the difference. Assets put money in your pocket. Examples, rental properties, index funds, online businesses, royalties, dividend stocks. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. Examples, car loans, EMIs for things that don't earn, expensive lifestyle upgrades. Example, buying a second iPhone is a liability. Buying 1 share of Apple that pays dividends is an asset. Same money, different results. Number 6, use the wealth priority ladder. Mel teaches that wealth must be built in a sequence. 1, security, emergency fund plus protection. 2, stability, debt control, consistent income. 3, growth, investing in appreciating assets. 4, independence, passive cash flow. 5, legacy, long-lasting wealth for family. Example, too many people skip to growth by investing in stocks while they have credit card debt. Mel says, climb the ladder in order. Skipping steps causes financial collapse. 7, choose investments based on cash flow, not excitement. People chase crypto hype, penny stocks, get-rich-quick schemes. Mel says, open quote, always ask, does this investment create consistent cash flow? Close quote. Example, Bitcoin equals price goes up and down, no monthly cash flow. Dividend ETF pays regular money every month, quarter. Your money machine needs predictable cash flow, not hype. Number 8, the value engine. Create value to create wealth. This is the entrepreneurial part. Money follows value creation. The book teaches 3 ways to create value. 1, solve a problem. 2, make something easier. 3, save people time. Example, a house cleaning service solves a problem, people pay. A mobile app that tracks expenses helps ease money management. A food delivery service saves time, huge value. The bigger the value, the bigger the income. Number 9, the 4 types of income. Aim for the last 2. Mel says there are 4 income types. 1, earned income, your job. 2, self-employed income, your own work. 3, business income, systems making money. 4, investment income, money making money. The goal, shift from type 1, type 3, and type 4. Example, working as a graphic designer was earned income. Freelancing, self-employed income. Starting a small design agency, business income. Investing your profits in index funds, investment income. This creates a powerful money machine. 10. Protect your wealth. Don't gamble it. As wealth grows, the goal is not just to earn, but to protect. Mel teaches insurance, diversification, risk management, emergency planning. Example, if you save 5 lakhs and put all of it in one risky stock, you're gambling, not investing. Better, 5 little distributed across index funds, gold, bonds, and business assets. Number 11, wealth requires patience, discipline, not luck. Mel emphasizes consistency beats intensity. Long-term investing beats quick profits. Wealth is built slowly, then appears suddenly. Example, investing $10,000 a month for 10 years becomes wealth. Trying to double your money in 2 months mostly leads to losses. The true money machine grows over time. Number 12, build a life you don't need a vacation. From the book is not only about money, but about freedom and fulfillment. Mel teaches that a money machine gives time freedom, location freedom, peace of mind, choice, independence. Example, if your passive income supports you, you can choose to work 3 days a week, travel anytime, or start passion projects. Financial freedom equals life freedom. Number 13, generosity and legacy are part of wealth. Real wealth grows when shared. Mel encourages helping family, supporting communities, teaching children about money, leaving behind assets rather than burdens. Example, instead of leaving debt for children, leave a rental property, an index fund portfolio, a small business. This is the real money machine for future generations. Final message of the book. Mel Abraham believes every person, regardless of salary or background, can build a money machine if they follow. 1. Build assets, not liabilities. 2. Focus on cash flow, not hype. 3. Start small but stay consistent. 4. Let money work harder than you do.
And now we have come to the end of this book. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next one.